I'm so excited to share. It's first time I received the PR box from Flower Nose. Thank you guys. I know some of you, and I've seen some of your messages, especially on Instagram, has at Flower Nose to, watch my review videos as well. And I think they finally sing. Thank you guys. Today, as you see, I only done the base and the eyebrows, and let's check out what are in here. For the new Mermaid series, I've already done 2 videos in terms of reviewing their eyeshadow palettes and other items. If you haven't seen them, do check out over here, or you find the links in my description box. The box is the same as I've got before, but when I received it was, you see, broken. But doesn't matter, I have the same one. And that's all the items in here. Let's open one by one. Okay, firstly, obviously, is the mirror. Let's see if they send me a different one. Oh, it's the same. It's exactly the same one, pink one. I don't have the perfume. It's a shame. It's a shame. But let's open what I haven't got. Is the Mermaid series setting powder, which I don't have. The color is 01. The packaging is very cute. When you open, I think I have their powder before. Let me try. It's very fine. I'm sure I used their powder before. If I remember correctly, it was comme ça. I'm just going to try a little bit. Center of the face. It's very fine. I think this color could be a little bit, if I use on its own, it could be a little bit too light for me. It's brighten up those areas right away. And this time 2 blushes. I don't have these 2 colors. One is 01 and the other one is 04. As I said in my last review video, that I do prefer the blush packaging than the eyeshadow palette, especially when you see it in person. Flower Nose blush is always a no-brainer. Very, very good. The color designs, color pigmentation, the presentation, finishing, the experience of using it, top notch. Both of them are 3-tone blush. This is a 01. The first top 3 are the colors from those 3 tones, and the last one over here is why I mix all 3 colors together. This one is more towards cool tone, more berry like lavender, a little bit of blue undertone. This is 04, which is more peach undertone, peach pink undertone. I'm so happy they sent me the color that I don't have. Okay, we're going to open the eyeshadow palette, then decide to use which blush palette, okay? Let's open the eyeshadow palettes. I got 2 as well. One is 01 and one is 03. I don't have those 2 either. This is number 1. And I have number 2. This one I bought myself. This is more peach coral undertone, and this is much more earthy. And then they sent me number 3, and I bought myself number 4. 3, 4. Number 4, I highly recommend in my last video, and I still absolutely love it. And this one is it's the colors I like, but I'm not like creative enough of making this color look nice on me, but I may try it today. It's very, very cute, summery, spring macaroon colors. 01. The shimmer color is so pretty, those two. I have natural daylight, so my camera has to reflect exactly the same presentation as you would see the swatches on my hand. If you want a no mistake palette, 01. And the strawberry collection also have similar palettes, similar color zone palettes. 03. The color is so pretty, but yeah, I haven't think about how to actually make it work. I think we just need a bit challenge, right? What do you think? It turns out better than I thought. Let's put it that way. I think this color is nice, but not daily wearable. Let's put it that way. The eyeshadow palette 1, 2, 3, 4. The most kind of like a no mistake daily wearable one are 1 and 2. And let's see. Oh, this time I got 2 hair clippers. Sorry, I didn't realize that there is a liquid liner in there, otherwise I would actually use it today. Do you guys want to see a full face flower nose? Do I have flower nose foundation? I have a flower nose cushion foundation. I think I'm able to make a full face video of flower nose. Although I think I've done one before, but do you guys want to see? To use their more newer serious items to do a full face flower nose. If you like the idea, click the like button please, or leave your comments down below. This is the eyeliner. The packaging is pretty. The one I've got last time, which is more shimmer color, this is a standard black. Oh, very slim. For the lip, they gave me 2 as well. I got the same packaging last time. From this Mermaid collection, I prefer the lip product and the blush packaging the most. This is the 02, which I bought myself last time. 01, 03, 07. 01, if you see my last video, you know, is quite light color and is high transparency. Of course, this one I've swatched it like 3-4 times to get the actual color showing for you guys. It's a perfect nude. Depends on your skin tone. Have good level of, balance the level of, you know, brown, orange, coral. Very pretty. This is the new color which I don't have before, 03, which is more energetic, like peach pink color. This is 07, has more orangeness and redness in there, more red showing. This time the lip gloss, some of them are quite stained, but some of them are not. Like for example, those 3 colors, the most stained one is the one in the middle, which is 03. The other 2 are okay. See? hands, they also have the lip stain removal gel. I used it a couple of times. It's quite good. All you do is wipe off your lip, and when you have the stain mark like this, apply a little bit gel, put on top, stay for about a minute or so, then wipe it off. It's pretty much removed like 90 to 95%. Let's use this new color and the blush 04. I'm going to use the top two, just mix two of them, and apply gently more like in the center of the face. I don't think you guys see that much in the camera, but what I see from the mirror is very gentle, very gentle, I mean. But it's visible. If I tilt it, you will see this side. Okay, now I mix the bottom two colors, which is higher color pigment as well, and apply, just extend it to the cheek. Now you guys see the color better, I think. Ooh. Oh, this color definitely goes with this pink eyeshadow. They're in the same color zone and melt in very well. Healthy, energetic color. Very nice. That's what I said. Flower Nose, if you want to pick a item to start with this brand, is their blush. Well, this blush you can definitely use for no makeup or makeup day. Nice. Okay, let's use 03, which the color I haven't got. I can tell is a very, you know, could be a personality clash color for me. It's very cute color. Very energetic, cute personality. Yeah, can't you tell? Oh, it make me like want to drink apple juice. It's a sweet apple juice taste and smell. The reflection and the finishing is very nice, but as I said, the formula of this new collection is same as far as I'm concerned, is exactly the same as they got from Unicorn. And there are similar colors from the Mermaid collection to the Unicorns one as well. So do check the pictures online, but at the same time, do bear that in mind. There are level of transparencies from the color. So depends on your own color or your own lip color itself. The color could present differently on yours compared to what they presented on the website. Just bear that in mind. And 03, this color, as an example, when I do these swatches, let me just apply this again. It's straight away like, you know, candy pink. Applied on my lip, then merged with my own lip color. It has a little bit more redness showing, like cherry red. Light pink cherry red. So here are all the items I received this time. Thank you so much. Thank you once again to Flower Nose. It's very good experience. And don't forget, I have another 2 videos about this Mermaid series available in the description box. To go there to check out your preferred items. And don't forget, if you want to see a full face Flower Nose, do leave your comments down below or click the like button of this video. Most importantly, we haven't finished yet. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I will see you on my next video.